Is your code editor making you code like it's 1999? What if I told you there's an AI tool that doesn't just predict your next line of code, but actually understands what you're trying to build? Welcome to the coding revolution you've been waiting for. This is cursorai Exposed, the tool that's making programmers 10 times more productive while the rest of us are still arguing about tabs versus spaces. Secret 1. What is cursorai? Cursorai isn't just another pretty interface with syntax highlighting. It's essentially VS Code with an AI brain transplant, combining the familiarity of your favorite editor with the power of large language models. Unlike your current editor that just sits there looking pretty while you do all the heavy lifting, Cursor actively collaborates with you. It doesn't just autocomplete, it auto-comprehends. But wait, if you're thinking, great, another AI assistant that'll just hallucinate semicolons and crash my app. Hold that thought. What makes Cursor different might actually change your mind about AI coding tools forever. Secret 2. Why it's different from other coding tools. Unlike ChatGPT or other generic AI assistants trying to moonlight as coding buddies, Cursor was built from the ground up for developers by developers who were tired of switching between their editor and AI chat. Cursor doesn't just suggest code, it understands context across your entire project, refactors entire functions, and explains complex code with the patience of that one senior dev who actually answers your questions instead of sighing dramatically. Speaking of things that won't make you sigh dramatically, there are features buried in Cursor that 99% of users completely miss, and they're actually the most powerful ones. Secret 3. Hidden features that most people overlook. While everyone's busy with basic code completion, power users are leveraging Cursor's hidden weapons. There's the ability to generate entire test suites with a single command. The explain this code like I'm 5 feature that deciphers that nightmare legacy code your predecessor left behind. And my personal favorite, the rubber duck debugging on steroids, where Cursor doesn't just listen to your problems, it actually solves them. Now this all sounds great in theory, but what does this look like in the trenches? Let me show you exactly how real developers are using cursorai to crush their productivity goals. Secret 4. A step-by-step of how real coders are using it. The pros aren't just pasting in prompts and hoping for the best. They're having actual conversations with their code. First, they're using Cursor to scaffold entire features with a single prompt. Then, they're leveraging the edit this thing like so command to refine code without rewriting it. Next, they're using Cursor to automatically document their work because, let's be honest, no one likes writing docs. Finally, they're using Cursor's chat to understand complex APIs instead of diving into documentation rabbit holes. Ready to join the coding elite? Here are the steps on how to get started without the typical steep learning curve, plus one advanced trick that even Cursor's creators might not have thought of. Secret 5. Tips for getting started plus 1. Advanced trick. Start with Cursor's keyboard shortcut cheat sheet. Memorize Command plus K to summon the AI anytime. Then customize your editor themes and settings just like in VS Code. Familiarity breeds productivity. Don't waste time with one-line completions. Ask Cursor to solve entire problems instead. And here's the advanced trick the power users don't share. Use Cursor's API understanding to generate not just code, but entire architecture diagrams and project structures before writing a single line of code. If you're still coding the old way after seeing this, I can only assume you also enjoy dial-up internet and floppy disks. Give cursorai a shot for just one day. I guarantee your productivity will spike so hard your manager will think you've cloned yourself. Hit subscribe if you want more secret weapons for your dev toolkit. Drop a comment with your favorite Cursor feature, and remember, the best code is the code you didn't have to write yourself. See you in the next one. The Enhanced Future signing out.